relearn, nigga.
I don't know.
What the fuck, bro? Don't make me mad, bro.
What's going on, YouTube? Quan TV back with another video. I got y'all boys another side hustle video. Right now we doing Spark again. We did a Uber. I mean, we did a what we do?
DoorDash.
DoorDash order for $10, bro. We went all the way to the country, but yeah, we just got our first order. I don't know what this. Your car just beat, bro.
Yeah.
Tire learning active.
Probably fucked something up. It's alright.
I don't know what twin got going on with his car right now. I don't know what this lady right here doing. But yeah, we just got the first order. You feel me? You feel me, dog? This the first order. Y'all can see. It's something slight. So basically, they still packing the order. It ain't ready yet. But we parked in one of these spots, so I'm gonna click confirm. Hopefully they Addy don't pop up. Oh, what's this? Walmart Addy? Yeah. So fast. I click select parking spot and then put it in full. And then when they come, I get on this code. They gonna ask for the code, then I get on the code, and then I confirm it, and then I scan the label they give me. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that too once we get it. Alright, y'all. So bro just came. I gave him the code. You feel me? And then he gave me this sticker. So basically, I click start scanning, and then start scanning, and then I just scan this whenever it want to scan. Yeah, it just scan, and then I click what they say, done scanning. His Addy finna pop up, and then click confirm for that, and then click complete pickup. Oh, yo, yo. Hey, so basically this tell you what time your order due by. I say 1:21. It's 12:06. We ain't gonna take that long. You feel me? And then click got it. And then I don't know what that is. I guess it was a 2-part order, but somebody removed that order. I'm gonna blur this out. This is Addy. So then you just click start, and then yeah, we about to be on the way. Click navigate, and we gonna be on the way. But this all brother man stuff. Like, bro, you got 4 cases of Pepsi. Like, come on, man. Then he got some waters in the bag. Something slight. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all boys once we get there.
Think of shit I
Okay, bro.
I just wonder is this really
Oh,
real?
hold on, no copyright, no copyright, no copyright. Come on, bro. You gonna pull right in the way, man. What is you doing?
Man.
I bet y'all boys, I gotta hurry up because the people outside, but you feel me? We here, click confirm. And then all this is gonna be blurred because they added up here, but you click start scanning. You scan that barcode again, you feel me? And then done scanning. And then click confirm the Addy. And then click got it. Drop off locations, wherever you put it at. I'm gonna put it in the garage because he's standing right there. So I'm gonna click carport, submit, and then when I finish dropping it off, I'm gonna click take photo. Alright, y'all, I dropped the order off. This is the picture I had to take, and then you just click use photo, and then after this it's gonna pop up confirm drop off, and then you just click confirm that, and it'll take you back to like, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all, hold on. So basically you click complete. Whenever it load, we in the country right now. Y'all see. And then yeah, I mean, I don't be, if they got a nice house, then I give them a thumbs up, but you feel me? I just click skip, and then it's gonna take me back to this, and the rest of the orders are gonna start popping up. Alright, y'all, we done switched over to DoorDash. We just got an order. We over here at Chipotle.
Nah, we at Panera Bread.
Oh, we at Panera Bread.
Right, that's why I was like, why they got Chipotle
but they got Chipotle chicken. But yeah, we really out here real deal hustling.
Hustling.
Feel me? Gotta make bread.
Hustling.
Yo, what's up with the camera, bro? But yeah, we about to be back and forth between Spark and DoorDash. Another app y'all boys could do. Y'all, alright, so y'all got Spark, DoorDash, Uber Eats. What else? Instacart good too. And bro, it's a whole bunch of them. But only ones I've tried was Spark, DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart. All 4 of them you can make money off of, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we'll catch y'all boys once whatever we finna do. Alright, y'all, we back to Spark. Just got another order. I already showed y'all, you feel me? We in Park 9. We had a different Walmart, different scenery, you feel me? But yeah, this one is a 2 people order, so yeah. One of the orders got a bag of dog food, some slight, and the other one only got 9 items. That's basically what they got. So yeah, we just sitting here. Dang, I don't know what I just did. I'm gonna go to Domino's. We just sitting here waiting for them to bring it. It still say they packing it up. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once they bring it. I got a dog food. I'm about to go there.
Yeah. I don't know which one it went. Brother man gonna drop off that food. Brother man gonna drop off that food. With a big tail pit come out that mug. Get them ankles. It be the light skinned niggas. Get on my nerves. Ugly ass. Dog, boy, dog. Oh shit.
Hey. Alright, y'all. We got a shopping order now. This is some of the stuff we already got. Yeah, we on this item now. So it say aisle A16, section 13. If you're in Walmart, all you gotta do is look up. You'll see the section up there. Grab the family size one.
Of what?
Cocoa Pebbles. So basically, once you find the item, just click scan barcode. It's on the bottom.
Oh.
Bro, twin tweaking. You just scan the barcode and it takes you to your next item. So facts. Bro, we gotta walk all the way up to the 3rd floor, bro. V all the way down there. Alright, y'all, we back, you feel me? $39 order. We got 12 stocks. This like the map of where this all the different orders. I ain't gonna lie. We hungry, bro, so they might have to wait. Like, they gotta wait, twin.
They gotta wait.
Cause
I'm hungry.
So yeah, we gonna get back with y'all after we
some
eat.
Food.
And it's gonna be packages like Amazon packages. I don't know what this nigga talking about.
I'm hungry.
But it's gonna be Amazon packages. I'm gonna pick back up the camera after we eat some food. Right?
Amazon packages.
I ain't mean Amazon packages. It's gonna, but yeah, it's not gonna be Amazon packages, but like it's gonna be in like.
He got
like,
a rollie on, twin. Something.
But it's gonna be in like Pamela to Amazon. So yeah, once we get her, I'm gonna get back with y'all. And yeah, we gonna go deliver them. Alright, y'all. This everything, bro. Too much stuff. Got stuff all on the floor. All right there. So yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all boys once we finish. The current time is 2:49. We're gonna see what time we finish. Alright, y'all, we at Sam's Club. Twin over here talking about his earring. I don't know what he got going on. But this how many orders we got. You feel me? About to get this done fast. And then this how much it is, $41. This the last order we doing, cause you feel me? It's what? 5:58. Yeah, we done after this until Friday. But Friday I probably won't record cause y'all done basically seen everything. But I'm gonna show y'all what the packages look like when they come out. Alright, y'all, so we just picked up the stuff. I'm gonna just click complete and then it's gonna pop up the addresses and stuff. But this everything. This my first time doing a Sam's Club order. They got, you feel me, packages. Alright, y'all, we just finished, you feel me? This the back seat. Ain't nothing back there. Shouldn't nothing be back there. And it's 7:42. So yeah, I just click complete on that. Skip that. Skip. Yeah, you feel me? We done for the day. This where we at. You feel me? Telling y'all boys, we made $72 in one day. Like, bro, y'all can make bank doing this. Alright, y'all. This, what, day 3? And we just got a $61 order. This might be the only order we do. What you think, twin?
Hey, never know.
Cause I got a video coming for y'all boys tonight. We popping out to I-95. But yeah, this the order. And this how much we made. You feel me? If we would have did it all week and yesterday, we would have had more, but you feel me? It's still good. They're making it week and then about to get $61 added to that. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all boys everything when it comes. Alright, y'all, we on the way to the first low. This, most of the stuff. We got the big, some of the big stuff in the back. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you gonna pay $61, but you feel me? We about to get it done. Alright, this is an update. We about to deliver this one right here. But this the back seat. This is all we got left. We've been going to some weird houses and stuff, but You know, we almost done. I'm gonna catch y'all boys once we finish. So this basically what we made in a week. I mean, we ain't do it all. Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit for y'all. We ain't do it all week, but we made $54 in one day, $77 Wednesday, and $61 on Friday. And that $61 one, we only did one order that day and made $61 off of it. So we made $207 total for that week. And y'all see we ain't do it Saturday or Sunday, so we could have made more. And we ain't do it Thursday and Tuesday. Yeah. And the $8 and the $4 is just confirmed tips from the customers. But I'm finna show y'all when I was doing it, like, cause I was doing it like all week. So basically, this is the prices. This is from January 2nd through January 8th. This is what I made in 1 week, which is $831. Basically, a paycheck for real, for real. And then this the other ones. If y'all wanna see them, y'all can pause the video and look at them. But these are all different amounts I made in 1 week. It really depends on like how consistent you are with it and how long you do it. So it's basically this app called One, which when you finish a Spark order, they pay you up here like as soon as you finish the order. Basically, it used to not be like this. You used to have to wait until Tuesdays to get your money, but I already cashed it out. So I'm gonna show y'all. They deposit this into their 217, which is what we had total. Well, we had 207 total, but you feel me? I already have money up there. So to show y'all that they deposit right away yesterday, I'll show y'all we did a $61 one. It say trip earnings, basically what we got paid to do the order, and it say 61.67 at 5:22, which is when we must have finished the order yesterday. And then show you your tips going in there, and then basically all this is like earnings and stuff. Don't mind the Wendy's and all that, cause I use the one card sometimes. But yeah, this basically how Spark work. I mean, it's a real simple app for real. You can make good money off of it, as y'all can see. Y'all can see that I don't really be doing it for real, all that empty. And then the times that I did do it just a little bit, this is different times. But yeah, if y'all boys want any more methods, let me know in the comments down below. DM me on Instagram. My Instagram be in the bio. I mean, my Instagram be in the description. If you want to DM me for a referral code, or comment down below if you don't have social media, you could just comment down below for the referral code and I'll comment back the referral code. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all boys in the next video. But yeah, this is in the video, part 2 of Spark. We did more curse out orders and we did a Sam's order. But yeah, if y'all want any other methods like DoorDash or anything, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all boys in the next video.